In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an orchestra in Soundtrap. Let's jump straight in. First, open Soundtrap and enter the studio. Choose a blank project so you're starting with a clean slate. Before you record anything, set the tempo to match the emotion you're going for. For slow emotional music, stay around 60 to 80 BPM. If you want something more epic and cinematic, go for 90 to 120 BPM. This choice sets the pace for your whole arrangement, so take a moment to listen to the click and feel the groove before moving on. Next, add your orchestral instruments using Soundtrap's built-in sounds so everything stays accessible. Start with strings since they're the backbone of most orchestral tracks: violins, violas, cellos, and basses. Add a couple of woodwinds like flutes or clarinets for color, brass for power, and some orchestral percussion like timpani or cymbals for impact. Use software instruments so you can edit MIDI later. Choose legato or sustained sounds for long emotional lines, and staccato or spiccato for short, punchy rhythms. If you're playing on a MIDI keyboard, keep your parts simple at first. You can tighten timing and adjust note lengths later with quantize and velocity edits. Now write a simple chord progression to serve as the foundation. Pick a key you're comfortable with and try a 4-chord loop to start. Triads work great. Add sevenths only if the sound calls for extra richness. Keep your lowest notes clear by avoiding dense clusters in the bass. Spread the chord tones. Let the cellos and basses handle the roots. Put the thirds and fifths in the violas and lower violins, and let the upper violins carry the top voice or melody. Use inversions to keep the movement smooth, so notes move by small steps rather than jumping around. If something sounds muddy, move notes up an octave or thin the voicing. Finally, arrange the parts like a real orchestra. Think in families. Strings carry the harmonic bed and main melody. Woodwinds add lightness and counter melodies. Brass brings intensity for climaxes, and percussion adds weight and transitions. Place instruments in a natural stereo field. Violins slightly left, violas near center left, cellos to the right, basses further right, woodwinds near the center, and brass and percussion toward the back of the mix. Shape dynamics with automation so phrases breathe. Start softer, build into bigger sections, then ease back. Layer a few instruments on key lines for strength, but avoid doubling too much in the same register. Add a touch of reverb for a cohesive hall sound, keep volumes balanced, and let the arrangement tell the story.